Here at Altus Space Innovations, we want to help build a bright future for humanity amongst the stars with our new design for a self-sustaining ecosystem to support 50 people with food and oxygen, be they in outer space or on the surface of an alien world.
The structure will be created using carbon nanotubes and titanium to withstand almost any possible pressure differentials. The exoskeleton will be connected to the primary cylinder via a system of tightly fitted bearings supported by ridges.
The motor features superconducting magnets within the secondary cylinder and will be used to spin the primary cylinder at the necessary 6 RPM to produce an adaptable gravity of 1G within the primary cylinder. Using this, we can both maximise space efficiency within the ecosystem and maintain optimal gravity conditions for the plants.
The surface of the secondary cylinder will be a vast array of photovoltaic cells utilising graphene to increase efficiency. Human access to the primary cylinder is via a system of capsules that will safely accelerate them to the necessary tangential velocity within the edge of this cylinder.
To grow plants within our ecosystem, we have planned to use a total of 12 beds, 4 of which will be 12 metres by 12 metres for growing staple crops, the other 8 being 2 metres by 28.4 metres for growing a range of other dietary supplements. The plants will be grown in a synthetic hydrogel.
The synthetic nature will prevent decomposition of the gel, and the nature of the substance means we can accurately control conditions for growth. These conditions include mineral concentrations, pH, moisture and temperature. The gel is very absorbent, so we can easily deliver nutrients in solution to it via a series of sprinklers above each growth bed.
In the major beds, we suggest the growth of wheat, potatoes, soybeans and sugar beet, the staple foods of any human diet. These will be supplemented by carrots, spinach, lettuce, onions, asparagus, cucumbers and broccoli to enrich the diet with all the nutrients we need to survive.
Air will be circulated into the ecosystem through the access tube, allowing free flow of air in and out. The primary oxygen production in our ecosystem will be through the photosynthesis of our crops, but to increase efficiency of carbon dioxide recycling into oxygen, we plan to run 5 pipes of radius 0.1 metres across the centre of the primary cylinder, filled with water and a 10% algae concentration. This algae will provide extra photosynthesis to maintain a consistent level of oxygen passing out of the ecosystem.
With organic waste leaving the system through harvesting, we need to recycle waste from the settlement back into the ecosystem to maintain mineral and water levels. Whilst air will be constantly circulated in via the access tube, humans will need to participate in the removal of harvested crops and return of waste via the tube's capsules.
Bacteria will be used to break down waste. The bacteria will be closely controlled to prevent development. Finally, harvesting will be automated for the major 4 beds, while crops in the 8 minor beds will be harvested by hand. Planting will also be by hand for these beds.